Okay, so just a quick update today. As per last time, this hive doing brilliantly, that hive not so much. I came out about 10 days ago and I actually located the queen in this hive, and I've put the queen excluder on. Queenie is now happily down the bottom there with her brood. She actually had started putting brood up the top box. That other one there, I still couldn't find a queen, so, and there's no brood, there's no eggs, so I'm pretty sure they're queenless, so that's just kind of a dying out hive. So what we are hoping is that at some stage over spring, we're going to keep our eye on it, is that this hive is going to start preparing to swarm. They're going to build another queen cell, at which point if they do, we'll split it and we'll put them into the not so good hive. So we're just going to have a check today and just make sure, because it has been abnormally warm weather for this time of year. So we're just going to have a wee check and just make sure that they're not doing that already and just see how they're doing.
Oh,
So the honey still on there.
that's
cool.
On there.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, there's all the brood the queen was working on.
Yep.
I went and moved her, spoiled the party.
Yep. One drone cell. Yeah, feels good. Awesome. Alright, it's a new brood cell.
Oh, yep.
Oh, yeah.
Drones in there.
Yeah, there you can get all
yeah,
stuff down.
Brood cells underneath all the...
Can't see Queenie. Oh, that's not her. No, that's a drone, isn't it? That big one right there.
There's a couple of drones there.
Oh yeah, she's been busy. There she is, right there.
But, oh, yep.
Spotted her.
There she is. Hey, Queenie.
Right, nice new larvae.
Bit of a patchy brood thing going on there.
Ah. What we got there? Oh, heaps more.
That small brood. Yeah.
Okay,
So
right.
we won't shake Queenie off. We might shake one of the other. Oh, lots of brood on there. Should give it a shake off. Yeah, oh, there's one hatching.
One just being bonded.
Hello, babe.
Oh, look at all the little eggs in the side. See all the freshly laid eggs. Oh, they're on that side.
Get a good shot there. The little
Now,
eggies.
if you come over here a little bit further, you see them, like, just the minute ones. There you go.
Yeah. Ooh, that's quite patchy. But then it is sort of a higgledy-piggledy mixture of brood and pollen and,
Drone
and
cells.
eggies.
Oh, look, there goes the queen cell.
Yeah, there's lots of drone cells. Oh, where?
Can you see it?
Oh, yeah. That's not like a swarmy one though. Normally the swarmy ones are on the bottom.
Yeah. Interesting that they're preparing it. Look, there's no one being born.
Yeah. And that's quite patchy. There's a lot of pollen in there as well.
Well, no one being born.
I don't know if the ones here are just, you know, waiting to die out without their queen producing more bees, or if they're bees from the neighbouring one just scavenging the last of the honey, or...
Okay, that's
this is a lot busier than what it was last I checked.
this is a lot, and this is heavier.
We haven't just captured another swarm here, have we?
We may
We'll have to keep our eye out, see if there's any queens or any sign of eggs or anything. I mean, really it should be a bit early for swarming.
Look at that.
Yeah. Oh, it could still be left over.
Could be, yeah.
Yeah.
Interesting. What are they?
Oh, it's just eating out honey bits, isn't it?
Oh, okay.
I mean, that there could be them prepping to do drone cells, which is what the worker bees lay in the absence of a queen.
Oh, okay.
And
Lots of
pollen.
pollen. More pollen. I'm pretty keen on collecting pollen.
Fair enough.
Wow, and more pollen.
Still running queenless. Right,
Yep.
so no real signs of swarming yet from the other hive. So there we go. Put those back together. Hit the like button. As always, leave us a comment. Any wise words of advice, always appreciated. Hit subscribe, and we'll keep you updated next time.